Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will study about VBA. At the end of this video, you will able to understand how to apply a border to cell, and you can also learn how to align the text of the cell either vertically or horizontally, and you can also understand how to change the font color. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಸೆಲ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಅಲೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. Now let me write a program for applying the border to the cell. ಈಗ ಸೆಲ್ಗೆ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ರೋ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಎಂಟರ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯೂ ಡೇಟಾ ಇನ್ ಸೆಲ್ A1 to A5. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ A1 ದಿಂದ A5ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಡೇಟಾಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. and then as usual you know that to create the macro programming, go to developer and then click on Visual Basic Editor. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಹೊಸದಾದ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ go to insert, then click module, and if you want you can change the module name. So I will take module name as a border. So here I will write the sub procedure. Sub procedure will be sub, and I will take the procedure name as a border. Sub procedure ಹೆಸರನ್ನ border ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. So here my line in the macro sub procedure is range A1 to A5. A1 to A5 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ A1 ಸೆಲ್ದಿಂದ A5 ಸೆಲ್ಲದವರೆಗೆ ಇರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲ್ಗಳಿಗೂ what I am doing is I am putting the border, and the border is having the different types of lines. Therefore dot line style has been taken. Dot line style ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಂತರ is equal to excel dot. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ the border will be dotted. So this is whatever you are seeing is the normal border, whereas if I execute this will put a dotted lines. So let me execute and see the effect. So to execute that, step in command is used. Step in button. Yes, now you can see here. So ನೀವು dotted ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. So this way we can put the border in dotted. Now we can see the another style of a border, that is dash. So to put the dash as a border, now let me write one more line. So range in bracket A1 to A5 dot borders, then dot line style, and then is equal to excel dash. So this will be give you a dash type of border line. Now let me execute this. So to execute, press F8. Now you can see the dotted will be goes and dash dotted will be comes. The dash borders will appear. Double border na ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. So first let me range and then put border, then line style is equal to excel double. So let me execute it to see the effect. So I will execute by pressing the F8 function key. So you can see here this dash will become dotted, then now it will be the dash, now it will be the double. So this way we can put the border as a dotted, dash or double. How to align the content of cell? ಸೆಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಡೇಟಾನ ಹೇಗೆ ಆ ಸೆಲ್ಗೆ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿ ಅಲೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಲೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅಲೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್, ರೈಟ್, ಬಾಟಮ್, ಟಾಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆ ಸೆಲ್ಗೆ ಟಾಪ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುವ ಮೂಲಕ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ you write the cell address to which cells you are applying. So that is arrange A1 to A5. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ the data is are from A1 cell to A5. Therefore that's why I have taken this. Then put the dot. To make them horizontal alignment, the horizontal alignment may be the left, right, center. Therefore you write here dot horizontal, then you write is equal to, if you want text to the right, then you write Excel right. Okay, so if you want to make a left, then so what I will do is simply I will copy this and just I will change the, instead of right I will write here left. Then to make a center, then I will write here Excel center. Okay, so here the last line is used to make the line center. So let us execute and see its effect. So now the line right, X right. So now so far the content of these cells are in center. So if this line executes, then these data will be going to the right. So now the next line, it will take the data to the left. Then the last one, it will again bring it into the center of cell. Now align the data of cell to the in vertical manner. So in vertical, either we can make the data to the top of the cell, top to the cell, bottom to the cell, or center to the cell. So to do that, so select the cells. So that is a range A1 to A5. Then dot. So I want to make it vertically. So write vertical, put the dot and vertical. So vertical alignment. Then is equal to XL top. So this will take your data to the top to the cell. Similarly, if you want to, so to take the data to the bottom, then the range, then vertical alignment is equal to XL bottom. To take the bottom of that cell, then you write XL bottom and take the XL center for data to be bring at the center of that cell. So let me execute and see the difference in the cell area. So let me execute this, press F8. So here now it is pointing this line which will take the data to the top of that cell. So here you can observe that data is moves up. Next is it will take it to the bottom, then next finally it will take it to the center of that cell. So this way we have aligning either horizontally or vertically. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಅಲೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ರೋ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಕಲರ್ ಹೇಗೆ, ಫಾಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್. To change the font color of a cell, first write the or select the cells to where you are applying for the your color. A1 to A5 in which your data are present. Then put the dot, and here I want to change the color of font, therefore you write first font, and then what you want to do for font, I want to do the color, that is, so write the color, and then the color will be of 8 type. So here totally so far 8 type, that is, one is VB red, green, VB black, VB white, VB yellow, VB blue, VB cyan and magenta. So these are the 8 type of colors in the VBA. Suppose if you want to put the red, then you write red. So let me apply one more color, that is VB green. So let us execute and see how the color will changes the font colors. So for that press F8. So here it is the line which will change font color as a red. Font color red agi ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಈಗ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, you can see. Now let me apply the green color, then press F8. So this way we can apply a color for font. The color of text can also be changed using one more method, that is color index. So in color index, instead of writing VB red, VB green, we use index numbers. The index numbers are from 1 to 56. So VB red, VB green, VB yellow ಬರೆಯುವ ಬದಲು ಕಲರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಲರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು 1 ರಿಂದ 56ರವರೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. So first write range in bracket A1 to A5, which is the in which our data are present. Now what you do is put the dot and font, then in the place of color you write color index. Color index, this one. Next is equal to, you write the number. The numbers are 1 to 56. So I'll write here 1. And I will take one more line, to change the color, that now I will take 6. So one more I will take, now I will take 25. So these data assigning values, that's assigning numbers, should not be cross 56. Okay. So let me execute and see how this color index will work. So press F8. So to execute step by step. So here now it is pointing the color index 1. So color index 1 will apply a black color to the font. So you can see. So next color index of 6 will be give a yellow, light yellow. Then color index of 25 will be somewhat sky blue. So this way we can use the color index to change the font color. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ನ ಕಲರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಮತ್ತು ಕಲರ್ದಿಂದ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುವ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. See you again with next part of VBA. Until then, take care. Bye bye.